Hello, today I'm going to give you a brief overview of the Daily Diary feature. To begin, you will need to click on the Daily Diary feature in the left-hand menu. This will then load the daily entry listing, where previously created entries are shown. Starting at the top of the page, you can see there are multiple search fields, which can be used to search for a specific daily diary which has been created. These can be searched by filtering the listing by a specific project, which will then only show diary entries which have been created under that project, or by entering the title of the daily diary, the date the daily diary was created by using the date range picker shown here, or by picking a specific date using this date picker. These search fields will save time scrolling through the daily diary listing if looking for certain ones. This will then display any matching results based on the filters used. To create a new daily diary, you need to click on this Add Daily Diary button, which will load a new page where the relevant information can be entered. For more information on how to create a new diary entry, please view the Create New Daily Diary tutorial, which can be found on our YouTube channel. To view a graph report of the diary entries, use this button. Now moving down the page slightly, as you can see here, the date bar is displayed with different colours. If the date is showing as red, this means that no diary entries have been uploaded for that day by any user. If the date is showing as orange, this means that some of the users, per project, have submitted a diary entry for that day. If the date is showing as green, this means that all of the users per project have submitted a diary entry for that day. If we change the listing to show entries for a specific project, as demonstrated here, you can then hover over the dates which are showing as red to see which users have not submitted a diary entry for that day. You can then click the email icon to send that user a daily diary request email. To view the users who have submitted a daily diary entry for days which are showing as orange and green, again, you can hover on the date itself. If you are in the All Projects view, when hovering over orange and green dates, the user who submitted the daily diary and the project in which they added the entry under will be displayed. To change the listing to show the previous or following week, this can be done by using the arrows either side of this date bar. The status indicators here have the same functionality as the different colours shown in the date bar. If no entries have been submitted, it will be red. If one or more entries have been submitted, it will be orange. And if all users have submitted entries, this will be green. The project column displays all of the projects that you are assigned to. The diary entries column shows how many diary entries have been created for that day under each project. If there are 2 entries that have been added to a project, then 2 entries will be shown here. The expand icon can be used to expand each daily diary entry to display more information than what is initially given. For example, the user who created the entry, the title of the entry, and the date and time it was submitted. Above the entries, you can see the weather for that project's location is being pulled in. This can be adjusted in the general settings for this section, which I will be going through in the Daily Diary General Settings tutorial, which can be found on our YouTube channel. When a daily diary has been created, it will be represented with the text, 1 entry, within the diary entries column. When expanded, it will be shown at the top of this listing, with the information entered when created clearly shown in the respective columns. You can share the entry, download the entry as a PDF, view diary attachments, edit the entry, and delete the entry as standard, and admin users by using the respective icons, shown here. Users with the admin permission can download multiple diary entries by using this PDF icon. They can also create a bulk report of multiple entries by using this button, where the user can then select which projects are needed in the report and to which users the report will be sent to. If you would like more information on the Daily Diary feature or on any of our features, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.